Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. The pioneering do-it-yourself DNA company 23andMe has rolled out an update that includes new ancestry information, including a new family tree. 23andMe's head of ancestry, Alison Kung.
We ran a survey earlier this year and found 52% of survey respondents cited difficulty in creating a family tree and just not knowing where to start. We built this automatic family tree builder to get people started. So essentially, you don't have to do anything. You log into your account and we provide you with the best family tree that we can provide based on the customers.
Based on DNA results. It is opt-in for you and the connections you may have to other 23andMe users. Find more info at the numeral 23andme.com. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Cooking with the power of the sun. Hi, I'm Fred Fishkin, here to tell you about the latest innovation from my friend Patrick Sherwin and his great team at GoSun Stove. The GoSun Fusion has arrived using the company's tried and true reflectors and a solar vacuum tube to get you cooking without the mess of charcoal, heavy propane tanks, or smoke. A really bright idea. And with an optional solar panel and battery storage and the ability to plug in at home or on the road, you really can use the GoSun Fusion to cook anytime and anywhere, day or night, rain or shine. I love what Patrick and his team are doing, and so will you. Want to learn more? Head to gosun.co to check out all of the company's products and innovations and use the code Techstination to save 10%. That's gosun.co.